In today's fast-paced industrial landscape, supply chain resilience, safety, and reliability are paramount. With new challenges and growing demands, supply chain complexity is at an all-time high. At Ryder, our technology-driven solutions help you navigate the unique complexities of your operation so you can focus on your core business. Our customized solutions that span your supply chain from end to end include warehouse and distribution management, transportation management, and the technology platforms to connect them. Inside your warehouse, we work with you to engineer the facility layout, which can include automation, hiring and managing your workforce, and implementing lean processes that eliminate waste and drive continuous improvement. This leads to an optimized supply chain with greater than 99% inventory and order accuracy. Our transportation management solutions optimize your network both inbound and outbound. This includes dynamic routing and scheduling, industry-leading cross-border capabilities, managing drivers, vehicles, and carriers, and continuously analyzing data to reduce delays and maximize efficiency. As a result, you benefit from 99% on-time delivery and lower transportation costs. We implement Ryder Share, our ultimate digital platform that provides you 100% real-time visibility and collaboration on your products as they move across your supply chain. At Ryder, all our solutions are built on a foundation of safety. This includes an expertise in handling hazardous materials that ensures compliance and peace of mind. Because of our expertise and focus on safety, we were the first logistics company to win the Green Cross for Safety medal. Additionally, our value-added services that include quality control, kitting and sequencing, vendor-managed inventory, and customized packaging help streamline your operation. In an environment where supply chain challenges are coming from every direction and safety is paramount, our technology-driven solutions help you eliminate disruptions, drive value, and deliver optimization from end to end. Discover how Ryder can make you ever better.